crossing season is on in Cabo Verde. Many foreign sailors are here in just a few days preparing to cross the Atlantic. Like these Spanish sailors I just met. One of them a fan of Winded Voyage. Yeah. Hey, this is Alberto, man.
Hey, Alex! How are you?
Alberto said he's been following me on YouTube and said
Yes.
he came by my boat a few days ago. And he said, "Do you really live on your boat?"
Yes.
He didn't believe it. I'm like, "Of course I live on my boat."
See?
So now we're going to try
Thank you.
to have some fun with these guys. So let's see what happens later.
We have the best guide in Sao Vicente.
They better be prepared. After a few drinks in town, we invited the Spaniards to Peter and Lily's boat, a meetup spot and party warm-up. The plan was to start here and take dinghy loads of friends over to their catamaran way out there in the bay. We've got to admit it that there's more room to dance in one of these vessels. Just what the party needed.
Playa, mujeres fumando. Mira, tírame plani, son nalgas de mentira. Tan brinda, que chimba, colombiana linda. Siempre con los ojos rojos de Cali, con mi amiguita Mari.
My head's in the clouds, can you bring me back down, boy? I need it. My head's in the clouds, can you bring me back down, boy? I need it. Need it. Need it. Need
So those guys thought the party would end here? No, man. Here the party goes on all night. And once Wendy gets started dancing, gets a change of clothes from Lily, well, party keeps on going. Really good, man. We left our Spaniard hosts just before dawn. And a day later,
Hey, man. Very sad. Cabo Verde, bye-bye. Alex, until the next time.
yeah, you gotta
Thanks
come
a
back.
lot for your welcome. Sabes, super. You usually live in a sailboat. I'm very glad to meet you, and I hope your dream come true, and maybe we make a deal and you buy the catamaran. We'll see. Okay, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers,
Okay.
man. Salud a todo el mundo.
Here's one. He was with us yesterday.
Un grande.
He had come by so we could say, "See you soon" to the other Spaniards. Back on Galopin, I wish my new friends fair winds for their crossing. I'm sure we will meet again sometime in our travels. Never say goodbye. See you soon. I'm gonna check on my passport because they still never called me and never gave it back to me. It's gonna be 2 weeks next week and they'll probably close down and all that, so I don't know. I'm not too crazy about being around without a passport. So let's see if they got it for me or what's going on, you know? I waited a few minutes and went upstairs to see the boss. And so? The people are so sweet, so nice, so kind, so welcoming. And the guy with the police chief there, or the immigration police chief, was like, well, you know, thanks a lot for appreciating our country, liking our country. And I'm like, thank you for welcoming me here. You know, you guys are like too cool, too special. You know? So, and I did all this in Creole. I think that impresses them too. Like I said, got my passport. I'm okay. It's stamped. Some more time. I'm here until February, until I get my act together with Wendy. And the guy said, oh, so you got a girlfriend here, you know, somebody that you like? And I'm like, yeah, you're gonna marry her and stay here. And I'm like, no, I want to take her with me. And they're like, oh yeah, okay, cool. On my way back to the boat, I just stopped at the museum to thank Cajol, who gave me a nice little tour, who's my guide. And after she seen the video, I wanted to show her, you know. And she said, no, I saw it. I'm like, oh, cool. So there's a new exposition there starting next week, I think. So I'm gonna have to go back and check it out. So JJ and Sarah came with me to pick up my boom. Now we're just waiting for Arlindo to come so I can pay him. I want to give him the money directly.
You want to be sure where it's going.
Exactly. And then we got to find a ride to get us back down to the marina.
Or on the shoulders.
If that's the case, we're gonna have to hire black guys. Dear Arlindo. He is the best soldier, the best welder for aluminum, porque el mejor de tu días de tus salsas.
No, Melior is the best, no.
Sí, él es the best. He's the best. So he has a great workshop here. He can do anything. Fix his car, compor cor, compor tudo. Vou fazer tudo lá na marina. Na marina, vou fazer tudo trabalho na marina. Marina. Ok, Marina e cool. Mas tem um pouco de paciência, mas vai fazer tudo.
Tá bom. Ok.
Prazer, man. Prazer na boa, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Solda lá, Brock.
Oh, obrigado, gosto de ser ali. Obrigado também, man. Oh, cool.
Love music.
Yeah.
Não tinha o cantor, a sobrinha que está a cantar, sobrinho está a cantar.
Ah, sério?
É o nome.
Yeah? Cantar o quê? Cantar o quê?
Morna, reggae.
Ah, okay.
Dina Mindel.
Ah, okay. We got this piece too, man. Eddie Flicks, look at that. All right, thanks, Arlene. The pickup truck came to fetch us, and we brought the boom back to Galopin. Yep, me and JJ brought over the boom on my little tiny dinghy. It's good to have young girlfriends, isn't it?
I couldn't possibly comment.
It's the 30th of December. Sound check is in full swing. This is a guy named Dynamo. I've seen him a couple times. He's great. And he's playing tonight. I celebrated Christmas with Wendy and family. That video was previously aired, and it was almost time for New Year's celebration. And this year, it started a day early. Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, and make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our Winded Voyage.